Stomping front kick, and Diaz winging that left hand.
Nice right hand. Very calm fighter. Ooh, accurate.
I like the kick sequence there.
Front kick to the face, he was talking about it. Look at that.
Oh, nice head kick. What?
Very good control. Oh.
Spinning back kick, and Rind is not letting it go. Diaz bounding up and away. That might be the highest we've seen anyone hit the karate combat wall. Oh, aids an uppercut there. Oh, again, Rind is vicious with this ground and pound.
Wow, pinpoint accuracy.
Woo. Wonder if
Diaz is tough. He took them shots. He's back up.
Wonder if that's going to make Diaz think. Rind staying very composed.
Oh, nice counter there. Who caught? Back fist again.
And again, trying that spinning back fist, and Diaz having to hang on for dear life here.
Ooh, now he's counter with the leg kick.
So beautiful.
Staring him down. He eats a shot on the way in, though.
Oof. Nice.
And certainly coming in phenomenal shape. Oh, that's a good left hand. Very targeted, very precise. Diaz covering here. This was the replay at the end here, and Diaz getting really pushed back against the pit wall, and he's not a down fighter here, so...
And that kick was with the instep, but it was right on the solar plexus. Did you see that? And there was a little movement in...
Stop. Just having some fun, I think.
Yeah. Grabbing the kick, throwing down again, ground and pound. Using his reach.
Yeah, look at that, really nice, driving the hips in. A little bit too little, too late from Diaz there, a nice ground and pound again from Rind. You know, this was the closing moment from Diaz, and Rind wanting to get one last shot in here.
Shahzaib